Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 19A. I am going to continue the chapter Journal Entry. Student, I have been teaching journal entry on traditional rule. So today I will explain about modern rule of journal entry. So see the modern rules for journal entries. This is also known as American rule. Now, rule number 1. According to American rule, when assets increase, it will be debited. When asset increase, it will be debited, and when assets decrease, it will be credited. This is modern rule. For example, purchase furniture for cash rupees 5,000, then journal entry will be furniture account DR to cash account, being furniture purchase for cash rupees 5,000. Now according to rule, furniture is increasing. Furniture increase in our business, so it will be debit, because furniture is an asset and it will be debit. And cash is also assets, but it will be credit, because cash is decrease. When I paid someone cash, then cash is decreasing Therefore, it will be credit. And furniture, when I purchase furniture, then furniture will increase. Suppose I have one furniture and I also purchase one furniture, then I have two furniture. So it will increase. Now second rule says, when liability and capital decrease, it will be debited, and when liability and capital increase, it will be credited. For example, suppose outstanding salary, outstanding salary rupees 1000. Then journal entry will be salary account DR to outstanding salary account. In this question, outstanding salary will be our liability, because salary due to employee, it will create my burden and it will be liability. So outstanding salary will be credit, because question says when liability and capital increase, it will be credited. Suppose I have owed us some other person 1000, and now salary outstanding of employee is 1000, then total liability will be now 2000, so it will increase, so it will be credit according to modern rule. Now third rule is, when expenses and losses are increased, it will be debited, and when it decreases, it will be credit, CR, credit. Suppose salary paid example, salary paid rupees 10,000. Then journal entry will be salary account DR to cash account 10,000. In this case, salary is our expenses, and when I give salary, then our expenses is increasing, so it will be debit. And according to modern rule, our asset is also decreased, so it will cash will be credit. According to first rule, cash will be credit, and according to traditional rule, also cash will be credit in both the cases, because cash is going. So solution will be same whether it is implemented American rule or traditional rule. Now next rule is when income and gains increase, decrease, it will be debited, and when income and gain increase, it will be credited. For example, commission received rupees 500. Then journal entry will be cash account DR to commission account. In this connection, commission is my income and it increase, so it will be credit. Cash is also increase because cash is coming in my business, so it will increase. Cash is increase, so it will be debit. According to rule, asset increase, it will be debit. So this is called American rule. Now I am going to show you some other technique for remembering the rule. Suppose assets first rule, assets DR side, CR side. Asset increase means plus, it will be in debit side. When asset increase, it will be in debit side. Plus means increase. When asset decrease, it will be in credit side. Minus. For example, depreciation charge on furniture rupees 100. Then journal entry will be depreciation account DR to furniture account. ₹100. Now you can see furniture is decreasing in this case because depreciation means decrease in the value of fixed asset. So when I charge the depreciation on furniture, value of furniture will decrease. So here format also, American rule also says when asset decrease, it will be credit, and I have credited in the journal entry because this rule is only for journal. So I have journalized and furniture is credited. Now second rule says capital and liability. Suppose this is credit side, this is debit side. The rule says for capital and liability, when capital and liability increase, it will be credit, and when capital and liability decrease, it will be debit. This is the just opposite of assets. So, according to modern rule, when capital and liability increase, it will be credit. When capital and liability decrease, it will be debit. Now, some example for this. Suppose I started business with cash. Started business with cash. In this case, journal entry will be cash account DR to capital account. Now we can see that capital is credited because when I bring some money for investing purpose in my business, then capital will increase. And when capital increase, assets, cash is also increase in my business. So according to rule, cash is increase and cash is asset, so it will be debit. And capital is also increase. So according to rule, capital will be credit. When capital and liability increase, it will be credit. Now, third point is for expenses and losses, credit side and debit side. Suppose this rule says expenses and losses, when increase it will be debit. When expense and losses increase it will be debit. When expenses and losses decrease it will be credit. So according to this rule, credit when expense and losses decrease. When increase it will be debit. Suppose example, rent paid rupees 500. Then journal entry will be rent account DR to cash account. In this case, rent is increasing. When I pay rent to my landlord, rent is increasing. So it will be debit according to this rule. Now last rule is when income and gains, this is suppose DR side and credit side. When income and gains increase it will be credit. So plus will be increase and minus will be decrease. Suppose transaction is interest received rupees 200, then journal entry will be cash account DR to interest received account, rupees 200 in debit and 200 in credit. In this case, interest received is my income, and when income increase, when we received interest, then my income is increasing, and when my income is increasing, then it will be credit side. So this modern rule says when income and gains are increasing it will be credit. When income and gains are decreasing it will be debit. Now I will meet you in next video with some new topic. Thank you very much.